YEQIN leather patcher industrial sewing machine shoe repair boot patch single needle hand crank D head only number 2972B leather stitch sewing machine can be simply move the little handle that moves the needle's direction. It will go back and forth and side to side. Leather patch machine single needle lock stitch cylindrical bed machine 360-degree rotating presser foot for sewing in any direction. Leather patcher sewing machine suitable for sewing or repairing thick materials, leather, rubber, plastic, and canvas, like shoes, boots, slipper, bag, dolls, and cylindrical goods. Suitable threads nylon polyester cotton. Patch stitching machine there are two kinds of shuttle for selection, large or small. The small work platform can sew a small tubular goods. Industrial shoes sewing machine max sewing speed 500 SPM. The arm length 30 cm. Hand crank industrial patcher sewing machine, not including table stand motor. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.